USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are for you. And then below the video you have a link which says swing like a pro. So click on this link, then come to this page right here where you can check these short videos and join this program if you want to do swing trading with me. And then you can book consultation if you want to speak with me one-to-one. And you can always join free Telegram. So go and join it. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA. Okay. Daily, we are above the EMA. 4 hour, we are above the EMA not. So 4 hour, we are below. In daily and weekly, we are above. So 2 time frames saying we are above the EMA. So look for longs. Okay. Now, let me tell you one thing, because if I would be you, I will skip this pair, because I have told you many times the USD-CAD is a touch me not pair, as you can see here. Many times it's going up, 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 up. It's coming down, 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 down. And look what happened here for maybe for a whole 1 month or 40 days. You see here going up, 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 up. Tell me, where would you enter? Where's the entry here? There's no fucking entry, okay? And then similarly, what's happening now? It's going down, 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 down. Good luck with the entry, okay? So, look at this here. From 1st of May. Since 1st of May until 24th of June. So, how many days? 54 days. For 54 days, it has been going up, if I'm correct. Good luck with this pair. I told you it's a touch me not pair. But as per the definition, daily and weekly are above the EMS. So look for longs after the pullback. Otherwise, stay away from this pair for now. Okay. If you want to enter and exit with me, then subscribe, like and share and join this program. Till then, take care.